Hey guys, it's Krystal from Became Beauty and welcome back to my channel.
Closer, closer, closer. Get a little closer, closer from the last one.
Today I am back with another Microlinks video. Today I figured I'd do something a little different, so I am going to see how many different styles I can do with my links. So you guys have already seen my wash and style video. You've already seen my pros and cons video, so why not kind of show you guys the versatility that you can have with this type of install. So I guess technically this would count as one. So we just got pin straight, nothing crazy, and I'm gonna be back with style number 2. So this is look 2. I just put some loose curls into my hair, super cute. So let's move right on to look 3. So this is look 3. A cute little high ponytail. What you guys think? Honestly, this is probably my go-to anytime I go out. I love a high ponytail. It's just uber, you know, cute or whatever. Let's get on to the next look, y'all. This is just a quick bun, super cute. I really like it. And this is look 4. I guess low ponytail bun, or is that pushing it? Yeah, that's pushing it. I already did a bun. So we're gonna leave this at number 5. So we got the Pippi long stocking braids. Something super cute, messy, you know, if you're going to work out or you just need to go run some errands. And yeah, I usually would like cornrow it back so that it's actually like a French braid, but I'm going out after this and I don't want to mess up the laid edges, the laid sides. So yeah, this is what I will count as number 6. And this is look number 7. What do you guys think? Isn't it so pretty? I know I said the high ponytail was my favorite, but I definitely think that this half up, half down style is my favorite for sure. These are the 7 ways that I like to style my microlinks. I'm sure there's way more styles, but this is just what I kind of alternate between. If you do want more microlinks content, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're always aware when I post new content. And until next time.